Hey guys, this is Mike from AIT. We're back at the office, but we're going to be going over a couple of videos today from practice this last week at the farm. We did some search and rescue practice with the thermal and the HD images. We'll split the screen so you can see each of them. On the right, it's going to be the Zenmuse XT640, and on the left, it's actually going to be GoPro Hero 8. You'll see how stable that is, even though it's not on a gimbal. Just shows some cool similarities between a gimbal camera and the new GoPro Hero 8, and show you how sensitive the thermal could be. So enjoy.